Did you know that over 90% of Shopify stores fail simply because they struggle to make money? Well, if you learn how to use the apps that I plan on covering in this video, I can guarantee you that you will never struggle to make sales again. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what these apps are and the best ways to use them and how they can actually help increase your sales. Now, this first app is one of my favorites because my Shopify store had a really big problem that this app helps solve, and more than likely your Shopify store has this big issue too. As a solopreneur, I really only have so much time in the day, and I would get so many customer questions to my email and DMs. Now, I would really do my best to try to answer these questions as fast as possible, but sometimes I just couldn't respond fast enough, and I knew in the back of my mind, like, hey, I am probably losing sales because of this. Now, this is where the first app I want to share with you, Jupy, really shines. Now, Jupy is an AI chatbot that can help increase your conversion rates on your Shopify store by over 5x. Now, this chatbot can basically answer any questions that your customer could have. Now, think of Jupy as a top-tier sales rep working for you 24/7, 365 days, helping your website visitors make faster and better purchasing decisions. Now, the cool thing about Jupy is that it's really easy to set up and it doesn't require any technical skills. It automatically syncs with your Shopify product catalog in real time, and if you make any changes to maybe like a size or the stock, or you add products, it automatically stays up to date, so there's nothing that you have to do on the back end. Also, another cool thing is it can help answer any order tracking type questions or any other frequently asked questions that you get. Plus, if you don't like the answers that Jupy gives, you can also retrain the AI very, very easily. Truthfully, this app just makes my life so much easier and has drastically reduced the amount of emails and DMs that I get. And on top of that, I definitely have the peace of mind now knowing that my customers are getting the assistance that they need and I don't have to worry about losing out on sales. Now, I've been able to partner with Jupy to get you a 30% off discount on all yearly plans. All you have to do is use code Antonio30. And if you want to try out Jupy 100% for free, I do have a free 14-day trial link down below. Okay, so let's move on to app number 2. Unfortunately, we live in an age where people are a lot more skeptical, and they have the right to be. People are scamming people every single day. And so if your Shopify store is not able to overcome this skepticism, you are never going to make sales. Now, the best way to overcome this skepticism is displaying social proof on your website. And honestly, the best app to do this is Judge Me Reviews. Now, Judge Me Reviews is super dope because it makes it very easy and streamlined to start collecting reviews. My customers get emails asking them for reviews right after they get their order delivered. Also, they have a lot of cool widgets that you can place on your website to really showcase and highlight some of the best reviews you get. Now, personally, I like using the carousel widget. That's one of my favorite widgets that Judge Me Reviews offers. And I think that widget just helps highlight and showcase my reviews in a way that makes newcomers to my brand feel more comfortable shopping with me. Also, Judge Me Reviews integrates so easily with other softwares and platforms. And I think Judge Me Reviews is really the standard for review apps. So if you haven't checked it out already, I definitely recommend that you check it out. Now, this next app is a very powerful tool that honestly, I don't think enough Shopify brands use enough, but this app can truly be a game changer and drastically increase your sales. When I started my first Shopify store years ago, I was trying to figure out a way to get my products in front of the most people possible without having to spend thousands of dollars on ads or, posting on social media a million times a day. And this is when I stumbled upon the concept of affiliate marketing. And this is where people promote products and make a small commission after they make a sale. Now, as a Shopify store owner, this was a win-win situation because I'm only paying out commissions after a sale has taken place. But the problem was I didn't know what type of software or app I could use to get this all done on the back end. But I was able to find the app UpPromote, and honestly, I've been using it ever since. Now, the cool thing about UpPromote is it makes it very easy to get affiliates to sign up, and it gives all affiliates their own unique discount code and tracking links. Now, UpPromote makes it very easy to track all your referral orders. So when it comes time to pay out your affiliates, you don't have to do anything manually. Everything is set up to be paid out automatically. So it just makes it very, very streamlined, and your affiliates are not mad at you because you're not paying your commissions. So if you haven't incorporated an affiliate marketing strategy for your Shopify store, I can almost guarantee you that you're leaving money on the table. So definitely install UpPromote to help you with getting your affiliate marketing set up. Okay, so now let's move on to the next app. The average order value of your Shopify store is definitely one of those metrics that can keep you up at night. I know for myself, it's definitely one of those metrics that keep me up at night. It is definitely something that I'm always trying to figure out, how can I increase it? Over the years, I figured out that the best way to increase your average order value, or AOV, is through upselling and cross-selling. And the best app to do this with is ReConvert. ReConvert allows you to take control of your thank you page. You know, the page that people land on after they make a purchase. Well, most of the time that page goes completely wasted. And ReConvert allows you to use this page as a very powerful upselling tool. With ReConvert, you can offer personalized product recommendations, product discounts, even birthday deals. All of this can be done right on the thank you page. It's really all about giving your customers another reason to buy again. ReConvert is also very easy to use and get set up, and their system is drag and drop. So if you want to make any changes, you can without being completely frustrated. So I definitely highly recommend that you check out this app. Did you know that 70% of add to carts go completely abandoned? And if you don't have a strategy in place to get these people back to your Shopify store, you are 100% losing out on a lot of potential sales. And this is where this next app, Textcart, comes into play. Now, Textcart is a very powerful AI SMS marketing tool that can help you really maximize your conversions and overall customer engagement. Textcart is able to help your Shopify store create personalized messages based on how your customer behaves. This can really help the interactions that you have with your customers feel more relevant and authentic. One of the most significant benefits of Textcart is its high open rates and engagement rates. You see, SMS marketing has far higher open rates compared to email. Over 90% of people check their text messages. That means when you send a message through Textcart, more people are able to see it and act upon it, which ends up resulting in a lot more sales. So I highly recommend that you check out Textcart. I have a free trial link also for this app as well, and it will be linked in the description down below. At this point, you know the top 5 apps that can help you increase your sales for your Shopify store. However, you have this one small problem. If you don't fully understand this next concept, downloading these apps and using them won't really help you. So watch this video right here to discover what this concept is and how it can make or break your success of your Shopify store.